During Game 4 of the 2025 Eastern Conference Finals, Pat McAfee energized the Indiana Pacers crowd with a spirited speech. McAfee took the microphone and exclaimed,
"Pacer fans, I'm here with one of the loudest and craziest fans you know. Pat McAfee is in the building!"
Indianapolis, Indiana. We got some big wigs from the big city in the building. Spike Lee is here. Ben Stiller is here. Timothy Chalamet is here. Let's send these sons of bitches back to New York with their ears ringing. Let's turn this shit on!